In this video, we'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access your cabin air filter, you will need to completely open the glove box. Open the glove box. Press on each side of the glove box to release the plastic tabs from their slots. Then open the glove box completely. You now have access to the cover of the cabin air filter flange. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry apart the two cover retaining tabs. Remove the cover. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Take out the cabin air filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its slot. Put the cover back in place. Then lock it. Close the glove box until the plastic tabs lock. Operation complete.